Yeah, welcome for returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Well guys, it's that night and guess what, today I'm going to do a $1 challenge. So stay here, watch the video today. So people are still working at night here. It's around 9 p.m. Hi. It's around 9 p.m. and it's like it's during the day. Look at how things look like. We have building here, population. Sorry for that. That's how they are operating here at work, guys. I'm trying to get some samosas here and stay here. Watch what we are going to do next. So one samosa goes for $1 and I'm trying to get 10 of them. I have my samosas here with me for like $10. I'm going to share them with some street boys. So I'm trying to see if I can get some street boys we share together. Yes guys, and on today's video I'm being accompanied by Gosi Africa. Hi Gosi Africa.
Hello.
Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. Yeah.
I am their favorite YouTuber. Yeah, based in Kenya, Africa.
He is the one who is accompanied me because you know these streets are not safe at night, guys.
Just to follow us.
YouTube channel.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
I'm Claudia Works.
I'm Dylan. What's your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Najita.
Claudia Works, eh?
Najita Claudia.
Claudia Works, yes. Yeah. Do you have a YouTube channel? Okay. What do you normally do here?
So, this is
High school?
Yeah.
My dogs at class.
Now, these guys have to accompany us. We want to share this. Yeah, we have some street food here, so we need to share them with some street guys here.
When tunenganya.
Yeah.
Let's go. We have some kids playing here, guys. We are trying to look for those street guys, guys. So make sure you stay here until we get them. We want to share some samosas with them. Yeah.
Subscribe to
Claudia Works.
Claudia.
Works.
Claudia what?
Works.
Oh, subscribe to Claudia what at YouTube handle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button
Huh?
for new and fresh content.
Yeah, guys.
We keep it lit every time.
Road to 5,000
Pause
subscribers.
the clock, we can keep you entertained. Welcome to the streets, yo.
It's at night. It's around 9 p.m. and you can see how streets looks like. People are so busy. The streets where all people came out to work at night.
Right? Yeah. So these guys, use this road. Join her.
This one.
Join her.
Bro, yeah.
You guys can jump. Bro. Hello. Niaje.
Fine.
Mko under, sio? I want us to share. Yeah? We start with this one, then maybe food. Are you ready for food? Mko sawa? Mnaweza kula food? Yeah, nice one. No, ngoja tunashare na wote. Tunashare na wote. Cheke? Si buka hii side, buka hii side. So it's not visible. Well, I have to. Give out to that guy. Yeah, give out to this one. Then we have some other guy here. We have this guy. Give out to this guy. Bring it up, boy.
Thanks.
And this guy is so good in English, man. Yeah? Go see Africa. Then she's Claudia Walks. Zombili. Check out the 2 channels. Yeah? Say something. To those guys.
Thanks for the sambusa.
Yeah.
Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. Say something.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe to your channel.
And you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel, right?
Subscribe to Bana.
Yeah. By the way, so often tutakuwa tunashare. Sasa ni uzuri pia tujuane, sio? Sisi tunaishi maeneo. So nikipata kitu nyinyi nakuja hapa tunashare.
Mimi naitwa Pogba.
Waitwa?
Pogba.
Yeah. What them playing Pogba? Yeah. Tell them something.
Mimi nachezanga full-time.
Oi, he plays football, soccer.
Nachezanga ball.
Yeah.
Timu yangu inaitwa Soweto Masters.
Soweto Masters. Oh, he plays for Soweto Masters.
Yeah.
The international team?
International team.
Yeah.
Man City.
Man City. Oh, I'm a fan of Manchester United. Bro, what's your team? Your international team?
Me ni Arsenal.
So this guy is doing some business here. Can live there.
The international team is Arsenal.
Oh. So who's the fan of Manchester here? Ni mimi peke yangu?
Yeah.
Kitu ulikuwa unataka sema whatever you wanted.
Mimi kitu nilikuwa nataka ni bei viatu za mpira.
Viatu za mpira.
Na jezi.
Oh.
Hadi jezi zinauzwa hapa.
Baadaye tutaongea. You know, nyinyi mnajua Bena, sio? You know Bena? Bena, kuna Bena mlikuwa mnaishi naye hapa sana.
Mapengo.
Bena. Hii Bena mfupi, the short one. Bena, mtu anajua Bena? Bena mfupi, the brown. That guy, you know that guy so well. Yeah, I think next time I'm coming with him.
Kitu tulikuwa tunataka.
Yeah.
Hadi mkitukombolea keja.
Oh yeah.
Mkitukombolea nyumba.
This guy has a very good proposal that if only we can rent a house for them.
Mabati watu tukae wawili.
Yeah, it's so cheap. Yeah, you can get a house for $13. $13 is okay.
Juu unaona huku sasa tunakimbizwanga na mapolisi.
Yeah.
Tunakimbizwanga.
Yeah.
Alafu sembo hadi mvua ikinyesha, mala zetu zinanyeshewa.
So, whenever it's raining,
tuna dipa lipa kukaa, unaona?
Oh, so this guy is trying to say that whenever it's raining, there's a lack somewhere to sleep. So this is where these guys are sleeping. So we have some guys here sleeping. So we need to help these guys. Yeah. I don't know whether you can see them. We have some guys here.
Hadi blanketi yenyewe hadi ni lesa. Hadi mablanketi.
Sure. Whenever I'm sure my people are going to support. Myself, I'll be offering some blankets probably.
Hadi mattress hadi.
Hadi mattress.
Na nyumba tu supporting tu.
Yeah.
We offer.
That's good. So in case you have a free house, these are good guys. We can always support these guys.
We are please.
Yeah.
We are not offering.
Yeah.
We are please request.
Yeah, requesting. Sure. Yeah.
We are
sure.
requesting.
If you are there and you want to support them,
Yeah. Reach out to Claudia Walks, then we will support.
If you want to support them, my number is on the bio. Make sure you reach me out.
Yeah, sure. Then we had some other team here. Bro, who are doing some charity. To say something.
Yeah.
Welcome to the boat. Welcome to the area. Sisi mchapanga hapa 254.
No, bro, toa sauti. Be loud, bro.
254. Mbogi ndio hii hapa cha wakote wajiintroduce.
254 is Kenya. Yeah.
Yeah, as I can say, tumekuja to visit our friends here.
Yeah.
And subscribe to our
Yeah,
channel.
these are our neighbors and our friends.
Yeah, our friends.
Also,
Close
we have
friends.
some ladies here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, you have some ladies here? Wow. Say something. Say something. There's some beautiful ladies here, and these guys are lacking somewhere to sleep. We need to support them. I'll always be coming here to support these guys. Yeah? It's a good one. It's a strong team. Bro. Okay, I appreciate the time I've had with you. Allow us to leave, then maybe tomorrow we can come back, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, subscribe to Claudia Walks and go see Africa.
So guys, we have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed the video.
We have enjoyed.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Badamangi.
You're hungry.